Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share Telegram profile link. First, open your Telegram. Then make sure you're logged into your account by going to your settings. Settings is located on the lower right part of your screen. And then from here, you'll see set username. Tap on that. And then create your unique username. As you can see in here, if the specific username is already taken, Telegram will not let you use it. So let's just put characters in here. Then if you say username is available, then that's the time that you can tap on done. So once you have already your username, on the upper right part of your screen, you'll see edit. Tap on that. And then from here, tap your username. And then on the last part of the statement, it says this link opens a chat with you. Tap on the link there. So you can share this link on Telegram directly, or you can actually copy the link and then paste it to any social media platforms that you want. So that's how to share Telegram profile link. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.